choose full stack Python. Either you have to choose full stack Python. This is the first option you have. As a fresher or what 2022 pass out, 3, 4, 5 pass out, whatever it might be, first target go for what programming language. I mean full stack Python. It's a very, very good guys at present. And by using this, what we can do, sir, we can develop applications. We can develop what? Applications. Second, application means web applications. Swiggy, Zomato, or right. How those applications available? Like that, if you want to develop applications, go for what? Your full stack. If you want to develop application, go for full stack. Second one is data analysis. Second one is data analysis. If your target is, sir, already data available, I want to do some small study on the data. Data available, I want to make some study on the data. Study means what? So based on the data, observe it and present in the graphical representation. Graph required, reports required, a dashboard required. If your target is, sir, based on the data, I want to generate a graphical representation, charts, right? Then we need to go for data analysis. The main target, we can prepare reports, analysis. And third target is, sir, data science. See, as part of the data science, your main target is what? We can predict the things. The prediction purpose, we can go for data science. Guys, of course, inside of the prediction, we have different things involved, guys. Machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence. And as part of this artificial intelligence, actually individual, we can't do anything. Combination. Sir, sometimes we have to use NLP, natural language processing. Sometimes we have to use computer vision. Sometimes we have to, that means what? Based on the data, based on the category. So we have to change the things. A means simply we can say that artificial intelligence, but inside lot of things will involve. Some everything is in prediction. What happened next? What happened next? Everything is in prediction. But along with that prediction, we need to, most important thing is to train the system. Training is very, very important. Sometimes we'll give a text data and train. Sometimes we'll give images and train. Sometimes audios, sometimes videos we are providing and we are training. Based on the training, the system will activate and it will perform the operations, right? So here our target. So full stack Python. So we can go forward applications development. So data analysis, what they can do, they can create the reports and dashboards. So reports as well as dashboards. And as for data science, their main target is prediction and it will work according to that. Prediction is one small part, predict what happened next. So based on that, it will do the things. If you use AI also, artificial intelligence, if you add it, then more works will comes into the picture. Imagine one crop available, crop. In that crop, what happened? Generally, the farmers, they will apply all the what fertilizers on the crop. But our target is what? Observe the crop. So then identify what type of what disease occurred, whether what fertilizers required or not required. Required, apply it. What type of? Apply, then do it. So take the image of the crop, then analyze it. Then we have to do what? What type of what fertilizers we have to apply? Driverless car. When our driverless car is going on, at the time what happened? This car has to identify all surrounding objects. Identify this is a car, this is a red light, I have to stop, green light, I have to move. Suddenly when our car is going on, some object is coming. When our object is coming, your car has to stop. Sir, there is no object, nothing available. Your car has to increase the speed, right? And do you know Robo movie, guys? Rajinikanth Robo movie. They applied artificial intelligence concept. Observe what happened in the Robo movie. Initially, they developed one robo. What is the name? Chitty. Starting Chitty. So what happened? Just observe. They said some in the movie itself, some what hard disk available, all data transferred. So that means the chitti has the data transferred. So that if you ask any question, all data available inside of the chitti re-analyze the data and gives the answer. Indirectly, ChatGPT also doing the same thing. ChatGPT is also an AI tool. What happened if you ask any question, all data stored inside of the ChatGPT, collect the process the data, gives the answer, right? Same in the movie, observe what happened. So they need what Vasikar also developed one chitti, guys. Not chitti, and name is another one. Vasikar developed what one robo. Now in that robo, what happened? Vasikar gave an instruction. Remember what? Robo stand. Robo is standing. Then they said walk. Whenever Vasikar gives an instruction as walk, the robo starting walking out backside. Then this Vasikar said that stop. I said front. Then the robo walking for side. That means there's some problem occurs. Actually, your system is trained but having some errors. What is the error? Sir, hearing error, listening audio error. Simply we call audio error. So while doing what artificial intelligence, we need to train the system properly. If you train the system properly, then only it will work. Otherwise, it won't work properly. Everything is, this is small dabba, guys. What dabba required? A dabba needs what? Instructions, data. If everything is available, it can work properly. Otherwise, it can't work properly. That's what we need, guys. So I'm not discussing much more. Today is what just beginning. I will give a roadmap. Slowly, we will discuss one by one, guys. But as of now, just remember one small basic point. What is your point, guys? First point is what? Sir, as a full stack developer, go for application development, data analysis purpose, reports and dashboards, data science purpose, go for what? Predictions. These are the three things required. Done. So now your target is what? Sir, whatever it might be, full stack Python or data analysis or data science, whatever it might be. The roadmap should be clear, guys. If roadmap available, then only we can do anything. Otherwise, we can't do anything. For everything, the quite most popular language is what? Python. At present, most demanding language is called Python. Okay. Plus database. These two are very, very important to survey in IT sector. One is called programming language. Another one is called what? Storing data. Database is required. Later, you can focus application development purpose. Focus on what? UI tools. HTML, CSS, JavaScript, jQuery, Ajax like this, as well as React JS. So these all are front-end tools. Plus, you have to learn a tool called framework called Django. This is very, very important. Django is very, very important. Next one, you need to learn so Python with database. Along with Python database, if your target is data analysis, then you have to learn Excel plus PowerPoint plus Power BI. Okay, this is what actually this is enough to work with what things plus stats. Must stats means actual basic stats enough for data analyst. Okay, so data science, machine learning, deep learning plus artificial intelligence plus what, guys, we have to go for generative AI. Of course, stats required. Of course, R language required. So if you have all these things, then you are eligible to work with what? Data scientist role. So this is your roadmap. And remember, the first one is what? Python. First one is Python. So our target is what? We have to focus on Python programming language. Focus on Python programming language. So as part of the Python programming language, so let's start with Python. And the first concept is what? Python. So as part of the Python is what? It is a general purpose programming language. Why it is general purpose programming language means Python involved not in one area. Python is for everyone. So that's the reason it is called as what? General purpose program. General purpose. Everyone can use Python. So Python is a general purpose. As part of the Python, we started first concept. The concept is called what? Tokens. I said directly I will enter into the topics. So the topic is called tokens. See, your course might be anything, guys. So full stack Python, data analyst or data science, whatever it might be. First, you have to learn one programming language. If you have programming language knowledge, then only you are able to learn it. Otherwise, you can't. The first language is called Python. First one is Python. As part of the Python, our first concept is what? Tokens. So here what we can say, so tokens means simply we can say that to develop program, we need some elements. Those elements are technically called as what? Tokens. The elements which are required to develop program is called as tokens. The elements which are required to develop program is called as what? Tokens. Of course, tokens are how many types? 5 types. They are, first one is called literals. Second one is called what? Constant. Third one is called as what? Operators. Fourth one is called keywords. Fifth one called identifiers. That means if you want to learn tokens, if you want to develop program, you should good in these 3 areas. To develop program, you should good in these 5 areas. What are the 5 areas? Literals, constants, operators, keywords, identifiers. These are the 5 areas are important. Now first area is literals. The first area is literals. Now let's start with the literals. Simply what we can say, set the values which are not changed, which are changed. The values which are changed is called as literals. Age, for example, age means a value. Fixed or changed? Changed, right? Now 22. Later it might be 23. Later it might be 24. The value will change. Petrol cost. Fixed or changed? So literal. Pi value. Now it is called constant. Fixed value literal. Value changed, it is called as a constant, right? So the values which are changed technically called as what? Literals. Of course, literals are 4 types. They are. Sir, what are the 4 types? First one is integer literals. Second one is what? Floating literals. Third one is what? String literals. Fourth one is what? Boolean literals. Integer literals, floating literals, and then string as well as bool. These are the 4 types. See, integer literals means simply we can say that 5, 10, so 22, some number. No decimal part available, it is called as an integer literals. So floating literals with decimal point. So here, if your data is 2.5, so 1 point some numbers, okay, 0.0, these are called as in floating literals. String. So either in single quotes or double quotes, technically called as what? String literals. Single quotes, Venkat. I said 5. I said MCA, MTech. Now these all are called as what? String literals. Boolean. Boolean means what? Either true or false. These are called as values. So generally, these are the values which we are using in our programming, right? Integer literals, floating literals, string literals, Boolean literals. These are the different types of literals, right? Interview time, how the questions are coming, they never ask directly. Tell me list of integer, list of float, like this one. Interview time, the questions comes as, I want to store course of a student, course name of a student. It comes under what type of literal? String literal. Course name Python, data analytics, full stack Python. So data science. So it is a string type data. So answer is what? String literal, right? Second one is constraint. What is constraint? Sir, the values which are fixed is called as constraint. So values are changed, it is called as a literal. Value is fixed, it is called as what? Constraint. Clear these 2 points? So tokens, Python, directly we started a concept called what? Tokens. Tokens are 5 types: literals, constraints, so next one is what? Operators. Third one is keywords, identifiers. We done literals as well as constraint. Third one, operators. Third one is operators. So what is operator? Simply you can say, sir, anything which performs an operation, anything which performs an operation is called as, anything which performs an operation is technically called as what? Operator. Technically, for example, I wrote 5 plus 3. Now, in this one, what is the operator? Here, plus is an operator because it performs addition operation. Here, so plus is operator. So why it is operator means because it perform what? Addition operation. Okay. So 5 comma 3 are operands. 5 comma 3 are called operands because it performs operation on 5 and 3. So it is called operands. A less than B. What is operator? Less than, because here less than is operator. Comparison operator, guys. Comparison operator, right? A comma B are operands. I said P dollar Q. Here dollar is what? What operation it will perform? Plus addition, sir. Less than comparison. Dollar. What operation performs? Does it do any operation? It representation. It represent, it is a value. Money type of currency type of value. So it never do any operation. So it is called symbol. See, performs operation, then we have to say that it is a operator. Otherwise, we have to say that it is what? Symbol. Of course, we have different types of operators. Of course, we have different types of operators. They are which one? arithmetic, relational operators, logical operators, assignment operators, shorthand assignment operator, membership operators, so on. Like we have many types of operators available. Out of all these, arithmetic operator, addition, subtraction, division, floor division, modulo division, exponent, all are called as arithmetic operators. Relational, less than or equal to, greater than or equal to, not equal. Logical operator, and, or, not. Assignment operator, equal symbol. Plus equal to, minus equal, into equal, division equal to, floor division equal, modulo division equal to, exponent equal to. Membership operator, in, not in. Not in, into వచ్చిందా? My last one, in or not in. Clear? So, like this, we have many operators, but right now, no need to learn all these operator. In module 2, as part of module 2, I will explain what operator consists separately. But right now, our target is what? If I want to develop program, I need to know basic operator. What are the basic operator? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. These are the basic operator. Right? Today, we will discuss about basic operators, right? So today we are going to discuss about basic operator called arithmetic operators. So when to use arithmetic operator means if your target is, if you want to perform calculations, then use arithmetic operators. Calculations available, then go for what? Arithmetic operators. If you have calculations, then go for arithmetic operators. If you have calculations, then go for arithmetic operators. Right? Sir, interview time, they will ask question. Generally, we know addition, subtraction, all are operator. Interview time, how the questions are coming in the sense, they never ask directly what what is the purpose of what is arithmetic operators? What is arithmetic operator means? Answer is what? Plus, minus, into, division. These all are arithmetic operator. But in real time, they didn't ask like that. What they will ask, what is the purpose? Is it possible when to use this arithmetic operator, right? If you want to develop any e-commerce related application or billing related application without arithmetic operator, it is not possible to develop billings. So that means bills, bills in the sense what? You went for MedPlus, Apollo, medical shop. You gave one prescription to give the medicines. Then what happened? First medicine observed, Dolo. Then one sheet cost is imagine, so 80 rupees. Customer asking for two sheets. 80 into 2, 160, right? So here observe, you went for medical shop and they said one sheet cost is what? 80 rupees. You are asking for two sheets. So amount is what? 160. You are asking for some other medicine with the cost of what 220. Some antibiotic you are adding. What 220, sir? So how many sheets? One sheet. So here bill amount is what? 220. And now what is the final bill, guys? 380 is the final bill, right? And now the shop provides discount, guys. 10% is a discount available. So now discount amount. How to get discount amount? To get the discount amount, 380 into 10 divided by 100. This is the formula. It will give you what? 38 rupees. Gives you 38 rupees. Now what is the final bill? How to get final bill? Tell me. 380 is the bill amount. So I got 38 rupees as a discount. So what is the final bill? How you said? Subtraction. Addition or subtraction? That means observe it. Plus, minus, into, division, subtraction, all are available, right? If you go for any bills, hotel bill, or if you go to DMart bill, Amazon, Swiggy, Book My Show, so whatever the bills it might be, these operators are quite common. So in the real time, if I mean interview time, if the question comes, when to use arithmetic operator? If I want to develop any e-commerce related application, buying and sellings available, then compulsory I have to use what? Arithmetic operator. Without arithmetic operator, we can't do, sir. This answer you have to provide. In old days, the questions are what? What are the arithmetic operators available? Tell me. This is old days question. But now people are not asking like that. People change the pattern. List out all what arithmetic operator done. Tell me when to use, how to use, when to use, how to use. These type of questions comes from. So be careful. Here, operator. For operators are what? Addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, floor division, molar division, exponent. I'll give some examples, write answers yourself because you're already good in where max. Na? Up to here, write the answers. Take those example and up to here, write the answer. Exponent r power. Any name you can use. Exponent r power. Either exponent or power. You can use a word called either exponent or power for r. Both names are available. You can use any name, whatever comfortable, that name you can use. So now 7 plus 3, what is the value? 10. Very good. 7 minus 3, 4 or 5? 4. So 7 into 3, 21. Next, 7 by 2. 7 by 2 in the sense. So what is the value you are getting? 3.5. So 3.5 is the answer. Right? Next one. So floor division. This 4 everyone knows basic max, right? 7 floor division 2. 7 modulo division 2. 7 exponent 2. Now these 3 I will explain. Observe. Here not single slash, double slash available, guys. Double slash means it is called as so floor division means 7 by 2. Now how to do this one? Recollect your school list max. We have like this 7. So here, sorry, 2 first. 2, 7. Right? So how many times cancels? 2, 7. How many times cancels? 2 threes are 6. Balance is how much? So balance is 1. Don't go for points, must stop here itself. In school days, we mentioned point, then we wrote, but now don't use points. Without points, do it. Guys, in this example, tell me what is quotient? 2 or 3 or 1? 3 is the quotient. What is the remainder? 1 is remainder. So whenever you have like this, if you want quotient value, go for what? Quotient value required, go for what? Your floor division concept. Because of floor division, you will receive a value called quotient value. Here 3. And if you need reminder, observe this is 1, right? This is called reminder value. So if you want reminder, we have to use modulo division. Modulo division will give you reminder value. So quotient value required, go for what? Floor division. Quotient value required, go for floor division. Reminder value required, go for modulo division. And last, power. 7 power 2. 7 power 2 means how much? 49. 7 into 7, 49 is the answer. 7 power 2, 7 square. It is indirectly 7 square. It is called 49. Observe the difference between single slash, double slash. Single slash will give you exact value. Double slash will give you what? Only quotient value. Ideally, so this is what once we install Python, by default, we are going to get this window, guys. Once you install Python, by default, we are going to get this window. We will explain how to install Python, guys. So mostly this weekend, this Saturday, not Saturday, Tuesday, okay, this Friday, I'll inform. Friday, everyone bring your laptops. This Friday, everyone bring your laptops. In the lab, so total Sathya Technology has what 3 buildings available, ma. Here classroom, there lab available, one more building also available. So what we'll do in lab, so we are going to what give you a guidelines how to install Python. So and one framework also required how to install that framework also. That I will install and will explain how to develop your programs. Friday, bring your laptops. Okay. Once again, I repeat, directly I entered into a concept called tokens. So don't confuse. Sir, token programming started, everything. Sir, am I missed up all classes? Sir, no. We are very beginning level only. In other institutes, what they said demos and they used what all theoretical concepts only for the sake of what Python introduction. I said what today I said Python. Python is a general purpose programming language. To give explanation of this one word, one line of answer, they will spend almost 3 to 4 days. Did nothing there. They said what Python, general purpose programming language. Second one. So Python is a programming which is used for general purpose. So it is called general purpose programming language. A second point. Third point. So programming which is used for general purpose. So it is called general purpose programming language. Same point, left to right, right to left, up, top to bottom, bottom to top. Like revise, revise, revise. Why that one? One once is enough now. Okay. See, simple word, ma. I want to convey one small message. Rama and Sita are there in the forest. This is a one line word I have to inform. Rama and Sita are there in the forest. Instead of saying this one word, what people will discuss in forest, Rama and Sita are staying. So, along with Rama, Sita also staying in forest. Forest contain Rama and Sita. So Sita and Rama are there in the forest. Same word only. What happened? Repeat. Like why how we are giving answers? They ask one question only, but the same answer I have to inform left to right, top to bottom, all mixing, giving the same. Nestle time waste. And they started with what features of Python, versions of Python. So why Python comes? Difference between other language to Python. All no need of all these concepts. All institutes to explain only these things, they will take 10 to 15 days. So that means half of the time is waste. So instead of discussing all those, our target is what? So I want a job or I want to go for abroad. Sir, I'm a student. I want to upgrade my skills. So practically I should be strong. Practically you are strong, you can do anything, guys. So that's the reason directly I entered into the concept tokens. That is the first topic in what Python. We are what discuss with tokens concept, right? Now let's see here. Sir, I said 7 by 2, a single slash. 7 by 2. 7 by 2 means what is the answer? 3.5. 7 double slash 2. Then answer is what? 3. Double slash will give you quotient value. Means no point values. Only the result in integer format only. 7 modulo division 2. 7 square 2. Not only that, 2 power 3. Now, what is the value of 2 power 3? That's 8 power. So, just understand the difference between single slash, double slash, and modulo division. Single slash, double slash, and power operator, and modulo division and power operator. Just understand the difference. So, note down these examples. Floor division, modulo division, exponent. Now here, let's work on some examples, guys. How plus operator will work. Generally, what we discuss plus operator means, sir, plus is an operator which is used for what? Addition purpose, right? But small difference. What is the difference? Now, guys, you tell me the answers. I wrote 5 plus 3. Guys, what is the answer? Oh, super. Now I said Sathya plus technology. Now tell me what is the answer? Sathya plus tech. Sathya tech. See, numbers available, it is going to add it. No, sir. Strings available. Strings are what? Appended. Numbers are added. Strings are appended. Append means join. Ma. So this is my first name. This is my first name. This is my last name. If these are the names, names means what? Strings. Then join. First name along with first name. Second name is added. Right? No, sir. It is numbers. It is numbers. First number, sir. Second number. Maybe integer, literal, floating, literal, anything. This is also integer or floating, anything. Numbers. Two different numbers. Added a new value came into the picture. Right? So here target is now next one. I wrote like this 5 plus 3. Tell me what is the answer? 5, 3, 8. 5, 3. Because 5 is a string type value, 3 is also string. So both are added, we'll get the result. 5, 3 as a result, right? I said, Sir Sathya plus 5. Error. In Python, error. Java, .NET, other languages, no problem, accepted. In Python, error. The problem is error. With the strings, we can add only strings. Strings, we can add only strings. We cannot add other type of data, guys, right? Same. Sathya, okay, minus 3 or minus tech. Both are strings only now. Now what happened? It is also error because with the strings, we can add, sorry, between strings, use plus operator only. Between strings, always use what? Plus operator only. Except plus, don't use other operators. But these are the rules, guys. Before going for programming, so we have to learn the rules. If you're good in the rules, program is easy. Otherwise, program is tough. Five, error. Five is a string. String with string only accepted. Now, so here what? So this is a plus operator, right? Now, next one is observe. Let's do small logical related things. Good. You said 5 plus 3 is 8, right? 5 plus 3 is 8. Now let me give one more task. You said 5 plus 3 is 8. Okay, fine, good. 5 plus 3, 8 are 8 into 2. I wrote like this. Everyone write answer in your notes. Don't say outside. 5 plus 3 into 2. Write answer in your notes. Don't say outside. Finish it. Answer bolo. 5 plus 3 into 2. 16. 11. Oh, 11 or 16? 11. So next. Mama. Answer 16. 16. 11. 11. Meedi. 11. Last. Good. Yes, online guys, ping me the answer. 5 plus 3 into 2. 5 plus 3 into 2. Yes, online guys, everyone, ping me answer in chat box. 5 plus 3 into 2. This is my question, right? Ping me answer in chat box. Everyone. Everyone, ping me answer in chat box. Yes, yes. Still, I need to get the answer. S. Chinna, ping me answer in chat box. S. Surya, Sujit. Oh, Sujit Levana. Okay, fine. S. Ramesh, ping me answer in chat box. So here, 5 plus 3 into 12. Some people give answer as what 11, some people give answer as 16. According to your point of view, maybe it is correct. Observe, sir, 5 plus 3, 8, 8 into 2, 16. Answer correct. Some people what they did, sir, 3 into 2, 6, 6 plus 5, 11, right? So two answers comes, right? Before explaining this part, let me ask small question. Imagine you are there in your college. You want to talk with your principal, sir. You are waiting outside of the cabin. Along with you, your HOD, sir, is also waiting. How many members are waiting? Two members. One is you. Second one is who? HOD, sir. Now, office boy came outside, observed. Two members are there. Na? To whom he will allow first? Why HOD? He's our highest priority. Lot of works available, right? Sir, he's HOD, lot of works available. There's a reason. First, they will allow HOD. Once HOD work done, then next you are going to enter into insert, right? Priority, right? Same way here also. So here also remember the thing. Not one operator, more than one operator available. So point is, if you have more than one operator, then follow operator priority. If you have more than one operator, then follow what? Operator priority. This rule we have to follow, guys. Sir, what is operator priority? According to the operator priority, sir, the first priority go for what? Opening bracket, closing bracket. If anything available in opening and closing bracket, first I have to calculate that part. The second priority for exponent. If any exponent values are there, I have to calculate that part. Third one is, sir, I have to calculate for multiplication, division, floor division, modulo division. Last priority I have to give for addition, subtraction. This is what your operator priority. Now let's see here. Now let's take the example. We have two operator, plus into. According to the priority rule, which one has highest priority? Plus I into now. Because of the plus contain fourth priority. Into contain third priority. Highest priority is into. So we need to go for into first. 3 into 2. First I have to calculate. So 3 into 2, the value is what? 6. 3 into 2, the value is called 6, right? And now it changed as 5 plus 6. So 5 plus 6, the answer is what? 11 is the correct answer. One more example. Same small change. 5 plus 3 into 4. Do it. 5 plus 4 into 5 plus 3 into 4. Same previous model. What is the answer, my everyone? 32. Good. Here 3 into 4. Or what you did? Which operation you performed first? First 5 plus 3. Why 5 plus 3? 5 plus 3 enclosed with an opening and closing bracket. According to the priority, opening closing bracket has highest priority. So first I have to calculate this part. 5 plus 3. 5 plus 3 is 8. Go for 8 into 4. 8 into 4. What is the answer? 32. So check the priority. According to the priority, we have to calculate, right? Some very rare scenario we have like this. Sometimes we have an examples like this. What is the example here? They said 7 by 2 into 4 minus 5. This is the question they ask. Now observe here. If you observe, sir, division and multiplication both are having same priority, right? Division and multiplication has same priority. If you have same priority occurred, then what I have to do? Go for order wise. Observe in principal sir cabin outside, two students are waiting. Two students are waiting. If student HOD goes inside, but now two are students only. Same priority. Then what they will do? Whoever come first, that person they allowed first. First person go inside. Once work done, second person go inside, right? So here the point is first 7 by 2 we have to do it. The point is if you have more than one operator with same priority, then calculate left to right. If you have more than one operator with the same priority, calculate what? Left to right. According to that, so this is our operation. Calculate left to right. So first 7 by 2, do it. 7 by 2 means what is the answer? We'll get 3. 3 into 4 minus 5. 3 into 4. Then go for end. 3 into 4 is what? 12 minus 5. Here we have to check the priority. At the time of calculations, check the priority, then do it. Check the priority, then do it. That is our target, guys. One more example. 2 power 3 power 2. Power means what? It will calculate power value x square, y square like that. Now 2 power 3, 3 power 2. Tell me the answer. Do yourself and tell me the answer. Okay, calculation a little bit big, ma. First tell me which one I have to calculate. 2 power 3 or 3 power 2? So generally what I said, sir, this one has same priority, right? There's a reason we have to go for left to right. First 2 power 3 we have to calculate. But only for this example it is wrong. Remember interview time, ma. This is important question. So for this example it is wrong. Here this power operator, this is very, very important question for interview. Note point. What is that? If you have only this behavior is different. If you have, so power operator means exponent side by side and calculate right to left. Remaining all left to right. Only for this one right to left. Right to left in the sense, the first part we have to calculate right side. So right side part, this is the right side part. 3 square. So that means what is the value of 3 square? 9, right? So actual 3 square value is 9. That means change it as what? 2 power 9. So 3 square means 9. So it will change as 2 power 9. 2 power 9 means what is the value? 512, ma. 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 like that. 9 times we have to write. That's it. Remaining all same priority left to right. But this area right to left. Only this area. Okay. So to learn any programming language, any course, max is basic. So addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. This max is very, very important. This basic knowledge, if we have, then programming development is very easy. So there's a reason for everyone. So whether it is a full stack developer, data analyst, or data scientist, whatever it might be. So this basic max I explained because everyone has to need. Now observe here. Once again, ma'am. Full stack Python, what they can do, they can develop applications, data analyst, reports and dashboards. So data science, they have to go for prediction, what happened next, like this one. So to learn your courses, this is a roadmap. Python, so what database is common for everyone. One programming language mandatory, must and should. Without having programming knowledge, it is very difficult to survey in IT sector, guys, right? So Python. There's a reason directly I started with what Python course only. Because programming language is common for everyone. And most of the students, they feel that, I'm a non-IT background, I don't know programming. Sir, I'm an IT background only, programming can't, sir. Why? Some reason is there, you are not following the order. So if you want to learn programming language, the order is important. So if you go with the order, programming language is always easy, guys. There's a reason we started with what programming language for everyone. Tokens, 5 types: literals, constant, operator, keyword, identifiers. Literals means the values in our program. While doing program, I have to go for some values. Those values are technically called as what? Literals. Integer, floating, string, boolean. These are the 4 types of literals we have, right? So then constant, fixed value. Then we discuss about operators. These all are what different types of operator, but all are not required now. Arithmetic operators enough. Now we discuss arithmetic operators, right? And question operators, based on operator, they never ask direct question, guys. Application oriented question. What they said, for example, my target is I want to withdraw money from the bank. Withdraw money from the bank. If you are withdraw money from the bank, so that means imagine your account balance is 5,000. You withdraw 2,000. Your account balance is what, ma? 5,000. You withdraw 2,000. What is your balance? How you said? Which operator? Like that they have to ask. This is simple example, but real time little big. They gave one requirement and they said, tell me which operator we have to use, right? Today in exam also, I asked that type of questions only, guys. So I gave some requirement. So like what Mr. Vishnu went to shop. So purchase 2 products. First product cost is so-and-so, second product cost is so-and-so. Now I want to find total bill. Which operator we have to use? Tell me which operator. First product cost is 500. Second product cost is 600. Now Vishnu has to pay the money. Total bill. For the sake of calculating total bill, which operator we have to use? Addition or subtraction? Very good. So we have to use addition, right? That's now exam is that one only, guys. Daily, our target is what? 1 hour class followed by what? 1 hour exam, guys. Exam is basic thinking related questions only. I'm not asking what very high level questions. So thinking, improve your thinking skills first. If you are able to improve thinking skills, then programming is